How to add a picture after posting on Instagram or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. After updating, open up Instagram on a device. Now first of all create a post. Now select a photo or video. Now tap on next. Again click on next. Now tap on share. Now wait for the post to upload. Now after, up- Now after uploading the post, tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now go to the post. Now tap on three dots. Now when you tap on edit, now as you can see there is no option to add a photo. So unfortunately on Instagram, after you post a photo, you cannot add another photo on the same post. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.